guys, so I'm really excited today because I've got some request that to also show the drone shots, and for the same concern I've just bought this, the DJI Tello, because I bought this drone because I never flied a drone, so I don't know how to fly a drone. I never taken the drone shots, so I've just tried to take the starting version of the DJI drone, so that's why I just got this. And after learning more and more about the drone from this particular type of drone, then I will switch on to DJI Spark and DJI Mavic Pro. So let's unbox this. And yeah, one more thing, the price of this drone in India is 11,600. I bought it in 11,600, but the original price of this drone is $99. यार आपको तो पता ही है कि इंडिया में ऐसी चीज़ें महंगी मिलती हैं. So let's unbox this. So this is the drone. It's very small and compact. So what we get here, 13 minutes of flight time. So we have precise hovering over here, 5 megapixel of photos and for videos as well. This camera also have the electronic image stabilization, which helps you to take the still shots. Okay, and you can get video quality by this drone. You will get at the rate of 720 pixel. Okay, so it's quite good because you can see it's a compact, and this compact device is giving you 720 pixels of videos and photos. It's quite good. Okay, and after that, multiple flight mode. It has a 360 flight mode. It also has the flip mode. It also has go away mode. It also had the circle mode as well. So there are lots of features in this particular, and the controls are very easy. I've checked it on some YouTube videos, so controls are very easy as well. And also the new update also comes. Some accessories are also there. You have some top covers, battery, charging hub, remote control as well. You also have app for Apple users as well as for Android as well. And you need to download this Tello app first. Okay, you need to switch on this. There is a power on button. You need to press that button, and after that you need to connect it with the Tello Wi-Fi, and after that you need to open this app. Okay, then after that you will be able to fly this drone very easily. So let's see what we get inside this. User manual, tools for removing the propellers, 2 propellers as well. You can see the. So let's open this now. Wow, this is really compact. Can you see this? It's so cute. There's a battery inside it. You can easily fly this drone 10 to 13 minutes. So in future videos you will be also be seeing the drone videos as well. Okay, hope you will like it. To be very honest, I am just liking this drone. It's very compact, and it's very first time for me to buy a drone. You can see a Tello branding over here, and the charging hub, Like you can charge the drone from here. You can see there's a charging point, there's a camera, HD camera, and there's some lightning sensors over here. When you will on this drone, you will be getting the lightning sensors. Let me turn on. Yes, here you go now. Yes, so you will get these kind of lights. Okay, and underneath that you will be getting two sensors. So these are two sensors which helps you which helps the drone actually to fly over. Means for example, if you're flying a drone and something is comes underneath the drone, so the drone will move upwards like this. Drone will move upwards. So these are the two sensors. Okay, and these are some ventilations for the heat dissipations. You will be also getting this one turn on button. This is turn on button over here, but you will not get a SD card slot. It directly saves the videos into the phone. This is a joint venture production between the Rise Technology and the DJI. So they both have some joint venture, so that's why they have produced this $99 very cheap drone, but not in India. You will be not getting this drone in $99. Okay, so you will be getting this in 10,000 or 11,000 or maybe more than that, but you will be not getting this drone in $99. So don't expect this drone to come in $99. Okay, so everything is good in this drone. Nothing is bad. If I check this drone, the image stabilization is very good. Okay, you will be not getting any kind of jerks, any kind of propeller visuals while you are flying this drone. So this drone is very good. You will love to fly this drone for your videos and purpose as well. This drone is also very good. Okay, but I'm using this drone for my videos because I don't know how to fly the drones. So this would be my very first time to flying this drone. So let's hope that this works good, and in future videos you will be also getting the drone shots as well.
Hey, pop the trunk, I open up, I saw my soul a good price, out of sight, my whole got